Hi there, my name is Peter. I'm from Oxford in the UK and I currently live in Nanjing in China. I've been teaching for around about 15 years. So my background is that I started off, I did a degree in history and then a master's degree in medieval history, and I also did an MBA at a later stage in my career. And I did my CELTA course in 2004, and then in 2005 I moved to China to teach kids and adults in a physical school in northern China. So I used to teach kids from the ages of 4 all the way up to 18 at very low levels, and also up to the higher levels, so from beginner all the way up to advanced levels. And back then I was teaching 2-hour-long classes with 18 students in each class. And then latterly I moved into online teaching, so I started teaching adults to begin with. So I taught them in VIP, so one-on-one classes, and then I also taught group classes of 1 to 4. And I really enjoyed doing that, but then I decided to move from adult teaching into kids teaching. So I've been teaching kids online for about a year now, and I really love teaching kids. I find it's a really exciting, great way to be teaching online. And the reason for that is that you can really focus on helping them improve to speak as much as possible. So I try and ensure that there's as much fluency as possible in my classes, because the kids can take their grammar and their writing classes in their schools, and not their regular schools. So in my classes I'm very outgoing and I'm a very happy teacher, and I try to make sure that the kids are engaged as much as possible so that they get the most benefit out of the classes, because they're always have full attention throughout the whole class. And what I tend to do is I tend to focus a bit more on fluency over accuracy. So I tend to make sure that the kids can speak as much as possible, and then I delay my correction until a bit later in the class before we go over the mistakes. And that way it helps build their confidence, and we're not always constantly interrupting them trying to correct their mistakes. So I'm really looking forward to teaching with you, especially as I think that now the online teaching has become much bigger. Then we can reach a lot more people across the world through our online teaching in ways that wasn't accessible before, because now we can really bring foreign teachers to all across the world through the online teaching. So that's great. Thanks.